Hello and welcome to Flush. My name is Heeva, and today we're going to walk through the assembly of our 3-pack open style shipping box. Specifically today, we're going to run through the assembly with the modern ceramic from our friends at Candle Science, and you can see we've got a few of their other vessels here as well. We've got the Sonoma and the Nordic ceramic. So with that, let's get started. First thing I like to do is start with the box. So we'll go ahead and put these other pieces aside for now. Focus on the box. First step of assembly is to find each crease and give him a little bit of a pre-fold. Show you what that looks like here. Now what that does is really help with visualizing how the box wants to go together and just generally minimizes the chances of the box fighting you when you're assembling it, especially if it's your first time assembling one. So that's it. That's the pre-fold process. To start folding, we'll go ahead and grab these two flaps here. We'll fold them up and in, forming the bottom of the box. Now with your index fingers, we'll go ahead and press in, and with the remaining fingers, grab the flaps on the side, fold them in, put the box on its back, and then fold the front panel in. And at this point, you can hold it together with one hand without it flying open on you. We'll go ahead and start on one side here with the locking tabs. We'll fold one panel down, and you want to fold down until you hear an audible lock. There we go. That'll tell you that the lock is in place. You've properly folded that, so it's good to go. We'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Fold the locking flap down. Go until you hear a lock. There you go. That's it. So you can go ahead and fold the top panel back, making it easier to work with. But for now, we'll go ahead and place that over there and start with go to the insert. So the insert, you'll notice, has got one large piece here, which we like to call a base, and you'll have these dividers. Now, each of these dividers are identical, so you don't need to keep track of them other than the quantity. We'll go ahead and stack them up, put them to the side, and start with the base piece. Similar to the box, you want to find each crease and give it a little bit of a pre-fold. So same process here. Now we can grab each divider and do the same thing. The dividers just have one crease down the center, so when you fold it, they'll fold completely in half for you. So go ahead and do that. Put them off to the side. So to assemble the base, we'll go ahead and start on one side here. Doesn't matter which side because it is symmetrical. We'll fold one flap down and then up. I'll show you again what that looks like here. We'll fold one side completely down and then up 90 degrees. And with one hand, you're going to want to hold it in this position. And with your remaining hand, grab a divider, fold it completely in half, and hold it closed. Now, you'll notice you have some slots here and some matching slots on the base as well. Doesn't matter which ones you line up, since it is symmetrical. So just locate one slot on the divider and the base, line them up, give a little bit of a wiggle. Sometimes that helps locate where it's supposed to be, and press down. But be careful not to press down all the way quite yet. You'll notice it'll want to friction into place, which is great. That's what we want. But before pressing down all the way, we'll grab the other side, do the same thing, fold down and up 90 degrees. And then we'll line up the slots on the divider with the base again, give a little bit of a wiggle. And then from there, you can press all the way down. You'll know it's all the way down when the top surface is flush. So neither of these pieces is going to be protruding up higher than the other. That's perfect. That's what we want it to look like. We'll go ahead and grab another divider and basically just repeat that through the process until they're all in place. So fold it in half, locate the slots, give a little bit of a wiggle like that, and then press all the way down. Do the same thing. And that's it. That's the 3-pack open insert. Probably a lot faster than wrapping 3 individual ceramic containers with bubble wrap, so pretty cool. So now we'll go ahead and grab the box and get the insert placed inside. You'll notice when you line it up to place it in, it's going to want to friction into place, which is great. That's by design to make sure the insert doesn't move within the box. So you can go ahead at this point and press all the way down. Once it's down, it'll sit level with the top of the box, so that's when you know it's pressed all the way in. And you can now start loading your vessels in. Again, today we've got the Candle Science Modern Ceramic. We'll go ahead and place it inside. And pretty simple. It'll look something like that for you. And getting a good look at the box here, we've got plenty of space for marketing materials. So if you like to include either business cards, marketing flyers, really anything else that's on brand for you that you want to communicate to your customer, this is the place to do it. You've also got plenty of real estate underneath the lid of the box to decorate with either custom labels. We highly recommend Avery labels. They offer all different types of sizes, different shapes, colors. You can even print them directly from Avery using their Avery WePrint program. So we highly recommend checking them out. You can also use custom stamps. So really, your imagination is the limit on this one. So at this point, we can go ahead and close it up. And the last step of closure, we recommend using a piece of craft reinforced tape, which is what we like to use here at Flush, or any other packing tape should do well. So up to you on that. And then getting a good look on the outside, again, you can use either Avery labels or custom stamps to decorate how you like. On the top, we've got plenty of space for a standard 4x6 label, so no issue with making sure you can get it completely on one panel for shipping. And there you have it. That's the 3-pack open style shipping box. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team. Otherwise, thanks for watching.